Hi, everybody. I'm Jay. It's great to see you again. Before we begin, I just wanted to talk a little bit about what we are going to do. This exam will be in 3 parts. In the first part, I will ask you some general questions about yourself. I will give you 15 seconds to answer each question. In the second part, I will ask you to talk for 2 minutes about a specific topic. In the third part, I will ask you some questions related to what you spoke about in part 2. I will give you 30 seconds to answer these questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. I want to ask you some questions about a few different topics. Let's start with television. Do you like to watch television? Tell me about your favorite television show. How popular is TV among young men and young women in your country? Now I'd like to chat about friends. What do you enjoy doing with your friends on weekends? Do you spend more time with friends or family on weekends? How do you make friends in the age of technology? Finally, let's talk a bit about careers. What are some of the most popular jobs for males in the UAE? Do you plan to study after you graduate? Do you think it's a good idea to study overseas? I am going to show you a topic card. I will give you 1 minute to look over this card and to make notes about what you will talk about. When I tell you to begin, I will give you 2 minutes to speak. Are you ready? Great! Please look at this topic card. Okay. Please begin speaking. Excellent. Let's move on to part 3. Now, I would like to discuss some questions on driving. First, what is the minimum driving age in your country? What, in your opinion, is the main cause of road accidents in your country? Do you think cars should be banned from city centers? According to insurance statistics, women are better drivers than men. Do you agree? Great! Thanks for talking with me today. This is the end of your speaking